Before buying a wireless doorbell, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many doorbells sound great on paper, but can end up being a hassle in real life. Let's dig into the top 5 options that actually stand out. Product number 1, FOVKSUC Wireless Doorbell. Starting off with the FOVKSUC Wireless Doorbell, which caught my eye because of its price tag of just $8.99. This bestseller boasts a 4.7-star rating from over 2,700 reviews, and it's clear why. If you want a doorbell that's both budget-friendly and reliable, this is worth a serious look. With a reception distance of 1,000 feet and a loud 110 decibel volume, it ensures you won't miss a visitor, no matter where you are in your home. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play receiver and easy-to-mount button. Plus, the battery lasts up to 3 years, which means you won't be climbing ladders to change batteries often. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you have a busy lifestyle or a large home, this doorbell keeps you connected without added stress. Now, some people complained about the sound quality being somewhat tinny. Here's the thing though, for the price, I don't think it's a deal breaker. If you're looking for basic functionality without high-end audio quality, this doorbell does its job well. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet functional doorbell that's easy to install. Skip this one if you're expecting top-tier sound quality, but for the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if the sound quality concerns you, the next option might be more up your alley with a different approach. Product number 2, AIDA Lighted Wireless Doorbell. Next up is the AIDA Lighted Wireless Doorbell priced at $19.96. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 5,600 reviews, it's a popular choice for good reason. If you're looking for a doorbell that combines functionality with a bit of flair, this one's definitely worth considering. It has 58 chime options and includes a mute mode, so you won't disturb anyone during nap time. The LED flash is a smart addition, making sure you won't miss a visitor even in silence. This matters for you specifically because if you have a large home or a busy life, the flexibility and range of this doorbell will keep you informed without any hassle. However, some users mention that the installation could be tricky, especially if you're not handy with tools. But honestly, once you get past that initial setup, the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have a large home and appreciate customizable options. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra simple to install right out of the box. For the features it offers, it's a good value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a more extensive network. Product number 3, GE Wireless Doorbell Kit. Now we're looking at the GE Wireless Doorbell Kit priced at $21. It has a solid 4.6-star rating from about 3,800 reviews. If you want something with a classic feel and reliable performance, this kit is definitely worth a look. This kit includes 2 push buttons and has a range of 150 feet, which is perfect for smaller homes. It features 8 different melodies and 4 volume levels, giving you some flexibility in how you want your doorbell to sound. The easy installation process is a huge plus. Just pair the button and plug in the receiver. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're someone who values straightforward functionality without complicated setups, this product fits the bill. That said, some users found the range a bit limiting for larger homes. But here's the thing, if you have a cozy space, this won't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you live in a small to medium-sized home and prefer a straightforward doorbell. Skip this one if you have a larger space that needs more coverage. It's a good bang for your buck. Now, if you need something with a longer range, the next product has you covered. Product number 4, Full House Wireless Doorbell. Coming in at $23.99, the Full House Wireless Doorbell is another solid contender with a 4.6-star rating from 2,000 reviews. If you need a doorbell that distinguishes between multiple entry points, this one deserves your attention. This doorbell boasts a 1,000-foot range and offers 60 different chimes, plus it supports a mute mode with LED flash. The distinguishing feature is the ability to set different tones for front and rear doors, which can be incredibly useful if you have busy entry points. Here's why this matters for you. If you're juggling deliveries or visitors, knowing exactly where someone is knocking can save you time and confusion. However, some people pointed out that the installation could be a little cumbersome with the included mounting options. But honestly, once it's up, it works like a charm, so it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you have multiple entry points and want a system that keeps you informed. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact and less complex. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if you're looking for something even more extensive, the next option might just fit your needs. Product number 5, SURFOU Wireless Doorbell. Finally, we have the SURFOU Wireless Doorbell priced at $29.99. This one has a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews. If you want a doorbell that can cover a larger area and adapt to various conditions, you should definitely take a look at this. With a range of up to 1,300 feet, this doorbell can handle larger homes or stores. Plus, it's rated IP55 for water and dust protection, making it durable for outdoor use. Here's why this matters. If you live in a place with extreme weather or have a big property, this doorbell can handle it all. However, some users felt that the sound wasn't as loud as they'd like. Here's the thing, though, if you're in a quieter environment, you might find it perfectly adequate, especially given its other strong features. This is perfect for you if you have a large home and need a durable, long-range option. Skip this one if you're in a small apartment and don't need the extra coverage. For what you get, it offers great value for larger spaces. So to wrap it up, we covered the budget-friendly FOVK-SUC, the stylish AIDA, the classic GE, the versatile full house, and the robust SURFOU. Each has its strengths tailored to different needs, from affordability to extensive coverage. Depending on your specific requirements, any of these could be the perfect addition to your home. Make sure to pick the one that suits your lifestyle best.